What's really good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 back with another video. In this video, I wanted to give a big shout out to Vicrez or Vicrez. Shouts out to Vicrez. Vicrez has recently come out with their own tires. 305, 35, 20. Wanted me to test them out, you know, give the pros and cons. So I actually currently have them installed on the Super B right now. And I haven't had a chance to sit down and think about the pros and cons. Well, I have it in my head, but I should have written them down, but I'm going for it. Pros of the tire, really no road noise. Sturdy, I guess sturdy or steady on the road, meaning, you know what I'm saying? You know how some tires feel like the Pirellis, like, I don't know about this. I've driven in the rain. Overall, it's a good tire. If you're in the market for the Vicrez all season tires, I say go after it. But there's one thing about the tires, and it's not the tire's fault, it's my fault. Okay, so the current wheel setup on my with my variant wheels is 20 by 11 in the front, 20 by 12 in the rear. So I got these 305, 35, 20 tires, and I got the 12-inch wide wheel in the rear. So that means the tire is stretched in the back. So if it's stretched, it's almost like my rim is poking out in the tire more. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like the tire to poke out more, but I guess I'll give you guys a heads up. If you have a custom setup and your tires are more than 11 inches wide and you get these I guess this would be the case for any 305 tire, because if you have a tire, a wheel that is wider than 11 inches, if it's 12 and up, these tires are going to be stretched. It's still a comfortable ride, but at the same time, I know the car, you know what I'm saying? I know the car, and I know I had 315s in the rear prior, and I needed new tires bad, so it came right on time. Tires on the rear with the 315s were super comfortable, but 305s on a 12-inch rear, in the, you know what I'm saying, on the Super B, the look of it could just be my ADHD, where I'm like, man, I'm so used to the tire being fat versus the rim poking out on the tire with a stretched tire. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, with the wheel poking out with the stretched tire. You car guys, you know what I'm talking about. Overall, the tires are perfect, man. Like I said, I've driven in rain, of course, dry days, good days, and the benefit for me is with me switching to 305 in the rear, when I air out, that thing is tucking. That thing is, I believe the tires are on sale on the website right now, and I'm gonna talk to them to see if I can get a discount code for you guys. They might already have discount codes, but the Vicrez tires, I'll try to put a video somewhere where you can check them out. But the Vicrez tires overall, I would purchase these tires again. You know what I mean? I would buy these tires. Once these wear out, I would absolutely invest in the Vicrez tires in the future. So that's all I got. I want to let you guys know that my sponsor hooked me up with some tires to review for you guys. Not a whole lot of cons. It really, there's no, and they're a really good looking tire. So it looks good on your wheels, and how it dry. I know rain is most important too. That's all I got, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace.